Welcome to Shining Ace Teacher Workshop for an overview of the virtual classroom session with a student. The first slide is the login instructions. So once the teacher has logged into the home screen, on the right hand side under weekly schedule, teacher has to find the session that you have to enter and then click on the course title. That will open the course for the student, and from within the course information, click on Launch Virtual Classroom. This will open a new window within the browser and prompt the teacher with a question: how would you like to join the audio? Teacher must select microphone, and then it's asked for an audio test. You select yes, and this opens the virtual classroom. You can see that the teacher and the student is in the same classroom, sharing the same whiteboard. Now let's look at a live demo of this tool. I've logged in as a teacher and I'm on my home screen, and under weekly schedule I'll select the class that I have to log into. I click on the course title. The course is open for the student. Under course information, I'll click on Launch Virtual Classroom. It will prompt me with a question on how would you like to join the audio. I select microphone. I select yes. Now we can see that I've joined the audio conference. And on the left hand side, you'll see public chat, shared notes, and then teacher and student. So I and my student, we both are in the same classroom, sharing the same whiteboard. Public chat is where I can type in any message to all my students. Since it is a one-on-one session, only the student is going to see this. I can also start a private chat with the student. It's not required since it is one-on-one. Shared notes is where I would share any notes from the previous session or anything that I have to share in the future. Within the whiteboard on the right hand side, you can see a set of icons. Similarly, you can see a set of icons down below and also a plus icon on the left. These icons, this is the mute. So if you're not speaking and if there is a background, or if you want to keep yourself unmuted, you can click on this. This is the audio. If you want to leave the audio, you can click on this. Right now the blue highlights that you're already in the audio. The camera icon should always be off. And sharing your screen, in case if you want to share anything in your local computer with the student, you can choose this option. On the right hand side, you have the first icon is called the tools. When you click on that, you have text, line, ellipse, triangle, rectangle. These are all for the either for the text or one of the images. So if you select line, you can draw a straight line. Select a rectangle, you can do a rectangle. But the most commonly used is the pencil. If you select the pencil, it will allow you to write on the whiteboard. Okay. Now you can see that down below the last icon that says turn multi-user whiteboard on. If you click on this, you are enabling the student to write on the same whiteboard at the same time. You can see that the student is in green. The student writes. This is how he or she will write. You as a teacher can correct it if she makes any mistake. Yeah. And you can also delete the entire screen that was just written. So you can clean the whiteboard. This color icon is to change the color of the pencil. So you can select a different color in case if you want to distinguish yours with the student. And if the student is still working on the dashboard, it will not allow you as a teacher to delete anything that the student has written. So to do that, you will have to turn off the multi-user whiteboard and then click on delete, which will clean the whiteboard. Second icon is for the drawing thickness. It has a number from 1 to 14. So depending on the thickness of the text, you can select a number. Now on the left hand side down below, you can see a plus icon. This will allow you to upload a presentation or start a poll. Upload a presentation is most commonly used for you to upload the document that you want to share with the student, and then use the whiteboard for annotating the text content from the presentation. So you can click on upload a presentation and then either browse the files from the from your local computer, or you can use the the already uploaded PDF files or the files that you've already uploaded for this session. Once you've selected, you can click on confirm and that presentation shows up on the screen. If you want to start a poll, you can click on start a poll. It'll allow you to add a poll with a yes or no or multiple options, and you can ask the student to answer it straight away, and you can see the poll results here. Polling on the left hand side shows the same, so it's the same icon works from the polling session on the left hand side on the screen or from this plus icon. So that's how you conduct a class with the student, and it's mostly interactive. Video is always kept off, but the voice is on. And once the session is completed, you can use this option from the right hand side to end the meeting or log out, or you can just click on close icon for the blue button. That'll bring you back to the course and the Shining Ace portal. And then you can click on the home screen and go back to the home screen and look up for the next session. So that's all, and the post tutoring steps will be a separate workshop. So thank you so much for attending this. Happy teaching. Thank you.